Have you heard the big news? Yep, the CCNA is about to change. And I'm going to tell you what I know about the new CCNA version 2.0. Right before Cisco Live, Cisco announced that the CCNA exam is going to update to version 2.0 on February 3rd, 2027. This is a major update from version 1.1. According to Cisco, the old CCNA was a mile wide and an inch deep. By contrast, the new CCNA will become narrower in focus, but much deeper, with an increased emphasis on certifying techs that are job ready. The thing that I am most excited about is that troubleshooting will be added back to the CCNA, because troubleshooting is a vital skill that employers expect from techs. Troubleshooting used to be a part of the CCNA exam, but it's been missing since the Certpocalypse of February 2020. Security no longer has its own section, but that doesn't mean that security has been tossed aside. Instead, security has been woven throughout each section, mostly because security has been woven throughout every networking technology. Also, there will be an increased focus on practical application rather than just memorization. Sections that used to be marked as describe, explain, and recognized have been changed to interpret, configure, use, and troubleshoot. These are all very positive changes in my opinion, and does seem to indicate that Cisco is moving towards creating job-ready techs. There are several additions to the blueprint, such as OSPF for IPv6, Power over Ethernet or PoE, DHCP server, secure file transfer, and agentic AI. There are also a few technologies that no longer appear on the blueprint, such as QoS, NTP, password policies, and everyone's least favorite topic, the dreaded wireless GUI config. BPDU filter seems to be gone, but other STP features like root guard, loop guard, and BPDU guard remain. I also don't see anything about network topology architectures in the new blueprint, but keep in mind that the Cisco blueprint is just a guideline. Cisco has announced that they can ask questions outside of their blueprint at any time. So what should you do if you're currently studying or about to start studying for the CCNA? Cisco's advice is the same as ours. Go ahead and keep studying for the current version of the CCNA exam. You've still got 6 or 7 months to prepare. Yes, the new exam does focus on creating job-ready techs, but employers are not going to ask you which version of the CCNA you passed. They're only going to care that you passed. More importantly, when the CCNA updates to version 2.0, there's going to be a gap of several weeks or months before updated training content appears for the new exam. So don't wait. Get started on your studying today. Hey, thanks for watching. What do you think about the new changes to the CCNA? Be sure to let us know in the comments. And also be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss our next video.